Hi, welcome to English Fluency TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I will be sharing how to connect and how to link words so that when we speak, we can speak smoothly and fluently. For us to increase our fluency, we have to know how to connect and how to link words. One of the reasons the native speakers they speak smoothly and fluently is because they link words, they connect words, and they do it automatically without thinking because that's their language. But when we speak, the non-native speakers, we have to know how to connect and how to link words so that when we speak, we can speak smoothly and fluently without stopping. So hopefully this video should help you how to improve the fluency, and hopefully eventually we can speak fluently. So let's start the lesson. Okay, so firstly we need to know that there are 26 letters in English language, and in those 26 there are two groups of letters. One group which is known as the vowels, and the rest are known as the consonant. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are known as vowels, and the rest of the other letters are known as consonant. So that's the first thing we need to know. Secondly, the reason we're learning this connecting and linking words is because so that we could speak smoothly and continuously without stopping after every words. The reason the native speakers they could speak smoothly and continuously is because they connect very easily, and the reason they do that is because that's the language they were born in and it comes naturally to them. They find it easy to connect. They always find how to connect and how to link words because for them it comes naturally. We as non-native speakers, we have to learn how to connect and how to link words so that when we speak, our sentence becomes a continuous sentence rather than stopping in every words. Okay, so let's look at the first one, which is consonant to consonant. Okay, so when you have a word, say the word what, which ends with a consonant, and then the next word starts with a consonant with the same sound. So say to. Okay, so you have a consonant and consonant on both words. First word ends with a consonant and the second word starts with a consonant, and both has the same sound, which means that instead of saying what to, you delete one and you say what to, what to, what to. Because to say what to, it becomes difficult and there's going to be a pause. What you're trying to do is link and take one sound off, what to, what to. So it becomes one. Let's look at another one. Red dress. The first word ends with a consonant, which is D, and the second word starts with a D, which is a consonant, and both has the same sound, which means instead of saying red dress, say red dress, red dress, red dress, red dress. That way it becomes one word and becomes smooth. Let's look at another one. That time. That time. As you can see, this that ends with a consonant T and the second word starts with a consonant T. Both has the same sound. You just delete one and it become the time. The time. Instead of that time, you just make it continuous by saying the time. So this is the first one, consonant to consonant. Always remember that consonant to consonant means a word ends with a consonant and the second word starts with a consonant and both has the same sound. All you do is delete one and say one of the sound. Now the second one is consonant to vowel. So let's look at the examples. That end. Now consonant meaning the first word ends with a consonant and the second word starts with a vowel. So on those situations, on those words, the word ends with a consonant and the second word next to it starts with a vowel. What you do is you connect. Instead of saying that end, you say the tend, the tend, the tend. So you make that T beginning of the second word, the tend, instead of saying that end. That becomes continuous if you say the tend. Let's look at another one. Not at all, not at all. The word here ends with a consonant and the next one starts with a vowel. Here, consonant starts with a vowel. So what do? You connect and you connect. Not at all, not at all. Instead of saying not at all, you say not at all, not at all, which becomes easier to say and it becomes a continuous rather than pause in the middle. And the last one, which is vowel to vowel. Now, how do you connect vowel to vowel? Okay, now for you to connect vowel to vowel, you need to know 3 sounds. Okay, now there are 26 letters as we know, and those 26 letters has 44 sounds. Those sounds are known as IPA, International Phonetic Alphabets. Okay, IPA, these are the international sounds of the English letters, and there are 44 sounds of English letters. They are known as International Phonetic Alphabets. Okay, so the 3 sounds we need to connect vowel to vowel is, one of them is a sound, a, and the other one is wa sound, wa, and the other one is ra sound, ra, ra. So these are the 3 we need to connect vowel to vowel. So for example, if we have go out, okay, so go finishes or ends with a vowel, and the word after that, which is out, starts with a vowel. So it's vowel to vowel we need to connect. How do we connect that? So we have to choose one from the 3 what will be suitable to connect. So here, what do you think? Go out, go, it can be go out, it can be go route, it has to be go out, go out, go out, go, rather than go out, no pause. For you to connect, you say go out, go out. So kind of wow sound to connect. The other one I would say too often, too often. Okay, now what sound do you think out of the 3 you're going to put in the middle to connect? Because this one ends with vowel and this one starts with vowel, so you need to connect those 2 to say in one go. Instead of saying too often, you need to say a sound in the middle to connect. So what sound do you think? Ya, wa, ra. Which one will go there? Too often, too often. is the wow sound here. Too often, too often. If we said the end, this one has ending vowel E, and this one had beginning vowel E. Both vowels, how do you connect that out of the three? The wound, it can be wow, it can be ra, the rand, so it has to be ya, the yand, the yand, the yand. So it's the ya sound, ya, the yand, the yand, the yand. Now the question comes, how do I know which sound to add in between? When you look at the words, use all of them and see which one sounds to go in between. You will know when you look at the words or when you pronounce the words, because the ya, wa, ra, when you put those in between, you will know which sounds goes in between those vowels. I hope this helps. And just to recap what we've just learned, consonant to consonant, which means that a word finishes with a consonant and the next word starts with a consonant and both has the same sound, you just delete one. Second one is consonant to vowel, which means that the word ends with a consonant and the next word starts with a vowel, you just connect the consonant to the next word. So you make the last consonant to the beginning of the next word. And the vowel to vowel, like I said, you put a extra sound to connect and you choose one of the three, whichever one goes with the words. Hopefully this helps. For me, this was a game changer for me when I was learning. I was finding very difficult to join or to connect or to link words. When I came to know this joining, it changed everything for me. I mean, for me, this was huge help for me. And I hope these lessons helped. I hope you understand. Obviously, linking and joining and saying smoothly, there are many ways, many things you could learn, but for me this was one of the main thing which helped me how to connect and join. I hope this helps. Please do let me know what you think, and I hope I made it easy for you to understand and it's not too complex. I tried my best to make it easy. I hope it came across easy for you, and please do let me know what you think, and hopefully it will help you. That's it for today, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Hope to see you again on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.